all-time classic NBA rivalry ng Lakers at Kings di kinulang sa eksena. Big games ni LeBron at AD na uwi sa wala, all thanks sa tulong ni Pinoy assistant coach Jimmy Alapag. Paano nga ba naging piyesa si Alapag sa pag-takedown ng LA? Pero bago natin pag-usapan, palike naman ang ating video bilang suporta. Kamusta mga idol? Anong balita? Kung bago ka pa lang dito, i-click mo na ang subscribe at ang notification bell para maging updated ka sa ating mga uploads. Down the stretch, wala ang dalawang superstars ng Sacramento, si Fox at Sabonis, para mag-close out ng laro. Pero mga key young players ang nag-take over. Si Keegan Murray, Kevin Huerter, Malik Monk at Sasha Vezenkov. Without their stellar performance, di sana nanalo ang Kings. 4 of them combined for 62 of the Kings' 132 points mga idol. At syempre, yung sa overtime, mga young guns na ang nag-step up, especially si Monk. At dito na papasok yung naging role ni Assistant Coach Jimmy Alapag sa panalo kontra LA. Alam naman natin na siya ang player development coach ng Kings at trabaho niya na i-develop ang mga batang players nila, mapa-skills training, mentoring, or understanding the game to play their roles to the fullest level base sa kanilang game plan man yan. And very visible ito kanina versus LA, lalo na nung nawala si Fox at Sabonis. Nag-stand out talaga ang offensive awareness at in-game understanding ng mga young Kings sa overtime, resulting in a win. Oo, di man kagaya sa mga head coach na direct ang impact sa laro, yung mga unseen hours of work ng player development coach with the young players significantly influence the team's overall success. What happens in practice translates in the game. That's why yung mga staff na ganito deserve the credits as much as the players do. Kaya kayo mga idol, i-congratulate natin muna si Coach Jimmy Alapag for a job well done. Di lang to basta-basta panalo. This is his first career win as an NBA assistant coach against a historic franchise and against the greatest player of our generation, LeBron James. Kaya join the conversation, magkomento lamang sa ibaba. Kung nagustuhan mo ang ating video, please like, share, and subscribe. I-follow mo na rin ang ating social media platforms for more exclusive sports content. Until then, this has been Courtside Buckets. See you on the next one.